What's new? Product release, August 2025. Track 3D's new zone-based progress tracking. You can draw zones directly on your floor plan, or quickly import them from another level to keep your setup consistent across the project. Enable your zones from the toolbar and choose exactly what zones you need to see. Whether it's all zones or just a few, the view updates instantly to match your selection. As you toggle zones on or off, both the progress data and capture coverage adjust in real time, showing you exactly how work is moving in the areas you've selected. This focused view helps you spot underperforming zones early, keep SIP's timelines aligned, and make sure handovers happen right on schedule.